In this video, I'll show you how to install MIUI 10 on Redmi Y1. The previous video I made on this topic was declared to be fake by a person. So this time I'm also proving you that it's a Redmi Y1 running MIUI 10 beta. Here's an app which gives you information about your phone. As you can see, it's a Redmi Y1. It's also not rooted. Now first of all, you'll have to download the latest beta ROM for your Y1. Open your preferred browser like Chrome or UC browser and type something like this. Make sure you download latest software to avoid any unwanted situation. Now tap on the first official site and find your device. Be careful that you don't make any mistake. You'll have to download the recovery ROM for your Y1, not the fastboot ROM. I'm not downloading the ROM package because I'm already on the MIUI 10 beta. If you are interested, then go ahead and download the full zip file, which is as large as 1.2 gigs. Once the zip file is downloaded, now go to update screen and tap on the three dot menu. Tap on choose update package and navigate to the folder where zip file is stored. You can also keep this file in a separate folder for an easy access. When you locate your file, tap OK on the bottom of the screen. Then the zip file will decrypt and you will only have to reboot your phone to apply the changes. Also, don't forget to make a backup of your data because when you switch from stable to beta, your whole data will be wiped. In an update 2 weeks ago, your updating progress has started showing percentage, so it looks right like this now. Now your Y1 has successfully rebooted into the latest version of MIUI 10 beta. You will be shown a notification here that your MIUI has updated successfully and you can check out yourself. But be really careful when doing this because a single mistake can break your device. One more thing I would like to say to my lovely subscribers that I do not make fake videos. I don't want to waste your or mine time. And I would also like to thank my subscribers for their love and support. So if you like the video, please like it, share it and subscribe my channel.